how to automate Bing searches. So if you want to automate Bing searches, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up your browser. And once you open your browser, now you need to simply go for the search and search for Chrome Web Store. So go for the search and search for Chrome Web Store. Once you search for Chrome Web Store, click on the first, and here you need to search for Bing Search Automator and hit the enter. And here you will have Search Automator, right? So you need to click on that, and you need to click on Add to Chrome and add that extension to your Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Now, once you've added the extension, you need to go for the extensions which is on the upper right, and you need to pin the extension that you have just added. So click on pin and pin the extension. And here you will have the extension, right? So once you click on the extension, you will have this option. So you just need to click on agree. So that's it. That's how you can automate Bing searches. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.